Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy from Ahn Company. It's Friday, October 19th. I'm going to go over the market for the day and week with you. So lower trade across the board for grain markets this week. It really was solidified with today's trade. Came in here after having very poor export sales yesterday to see two cancellations in soybeans, one to China, one to unknown destination, which is most likely China. It was this marketing year 18-19, and that'll be a big thing moving forward. Are we going to see more of these? Is this a pawn that you're going to see in this trade war talk? And so that was totaled of 300,000 metric tons of soybeans canceled, and that is not what we want to see. You were trying to find technical support at that 860 to 862 level, couldn't find it, slipped below it. Soybeans down 10 3/4 here on the week. When you look at the corn market, down 6 3/4 on the week, closed below that support level, that initial support level at 370 on the December corn contract. And really not much news when you looked at the wheat complex, but it just couldn't really fight itself against the rest of them, closing lower on the week, but finding some slight support here today. But overall, Chicago wheat down 2.5 on the week, Minneapolis down 7.5, Kansas City down 8 cents. Otherwise, we're just having really quiet trade, not seeing a lot of farmers selling quite yet. It's pretty much shut off, but a lot of harvest activity. It does look like we have chances now in the 6 to 10 and 8 to 14 day forecast for rain, which is not what the farmer wants to see. And it's a big question of how much can you get done between now and probably midweek next week when the rain starts to happen. Over to the meat markets, you do have cattle on feed here later today. That'll dictate trade starting next week, but overall in the week, very quiet trade. It's been a while since we've seen this. Live cattle down 7.5 cents on the week, and feeder cattle down 5 cents on the week. So pretty much steady, very quiet trade. Cash came in at 108 to 111 live, and 172 to 174 dressed. Very similar to last week. You did have a big gap show up when you look at the weekly chart as far as it goes for lean hogs coming in from the October to December contract, down just over 15 bucks. And the big question was, could you see December come up to where you could see October trading or kind of close that gap in between cash? And that wasn't able. You saw December hogs down over 3 bucks on the week, and cash trade is starting to slip. When you look at hogs, they're at about 67 bucks now when you look at the index. Outside markets, big movers were crude market down over 2 bucks here this week after being down 3 bucks last week. So a lot of pressure when you look at crude oil. And then other markets really didn't do a whole lot. US dollar up about 45 cents, and Dow being close to about steady, maybe up to 100 points. But overall, it was a big mover this week. Just overall in the week, didn't move too much in one direction. I do have to close with a disclaimer. Trading in futures and options involves risk loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.